So today I'm gonna make my little healthy dinner is Sunday. Disregard the mess in my kitchen because I'm currently starting to cook. Now I have my chicken breast soaking in lemon juice and vinegar. I'm about to shred and cut up the sweet potatoes in small little like pieces. And with that I'm gonna have some broccoli and I'm gonna saute some onions and peppers. So yeah. I have one down, 3 more to go. And with these, you can even make it cute and fun. Like, you could cut these up into like little french fries. You know, you could have a chicken and sweet potato fries for dinner or something. So that's just a thought. Alright, so now back to cutting up these sweet potatoes. So now I'm about to season my chicken with some garlic, onion, lemon pepper, garlic Mrs. Dash. I showed the Slappy Mama, but I'm not going to use the Slappy Mama. You'll see in the end. So I was gonna use Slappy Mama, but I'm not gonna use this anymore. I'm just back into the cupboard because I feel like the seasonings I have here are enough and it's gonna be flavorful for the chicken. So yeah. So now I'm about to do the same thing on the other side of the chicken. Spice it up. Alright. So right now I have the chicken marinating. Yes, it's very seasoned. And now I'm about to cut up my sweet potatoes into little circular chops. So I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so I cut up the sweet potato and I'm gonna season it in this pot and then I'm gonna cook it on a fry pan. So you just put a little bit of salt. Of course we need black pepper. Cayenne pepper. just a little bit of slapping mama. Just a little bit. For some flavor. And that's it. Then we mix that up. And then we let that season for a little bit. So right now, I'm just adding in my chicken into my hot pan with olive oil. Right here, multitasking. In the other pot, I'm just adding in the sweet potatoes with a little bit of olive oil. Can't cook something and not taste it. So we know that a part of cooking is cleaning. So right now I'm about to take my sweet potatoes and I'm gonna put them in a bowl just so I can clean out this pot. And for the chicken, I'm going to put that inside of, sorry, gotta concentrate, make sure I'm spilling everything. Alright, so the yams all gone. Nice and steamy. Cover it. So now our yams are in here. And then we have our chicken pot. But we're not gonna wash out the chicken pot because we're gonna cook the peppers and the onions in there. So we get that chicken seasoning. We're just gonna use this. And we're just gonna put the chicken literally inside. So I'm just moving the chicken from the pot and that little piece we're gonna taste it. So let's I just put in, I'm steaming broccoli. Have the water at the bottom. Steamer, fresh broccoli. I just seasoned it with some cayenne pepper, black pepper, some Mrs. Dash original blend, since we have the garlic Mrs. Dash and the chicken, and some salt. Just add a little more salt here. No, not even coming out because y'all will see it flying on the camera. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to just cover that up. So this is the finished product. We have our chicken, our onions and peppers, sweet peppers at that, our sweet potato and broccoli. And this is dinner. Like I said, so tonight I'll be having this for dinner. Tomorrow, if I don't want to eat this, I can also have some chicken and peppers and onions and put it in like a whole wheat wrap, some avocado, whatever. But yeah, this is the finished product.